Graphic design is among the best professions or activities you can do both as part-time or full-time job to earn very good money and fulfillment as well. In fact, I find my joy in graphic design. In publisher, although people now turn into easier modern graphic platforms, publisher remains the best and interesting softwares to work with. You see, this is a happy birthday card. Happy birthday card I have prepared for someone. This is the outer cover and this is the inner cover. So from the outside, this side, this is the front page, this line is for folding, this is the back page. Then the second page here, this is, suppose this is page 1 and this is page 4. Page 1, and you fold up. You can do this by folding a paper to get the visual impression of how it will look like. This is the first page, this is the fourth. So this is the first page, and then this is the first page, then this is page 2 up to around here, page 2, this is page 3, and lastly you will have page 4. Just to have a look at this page, I have removed the background for this, and this one I have given some fading color. So this is pink, and then behind there is some wool like pictures. Then this is an image I have added, and then the interesting thing with this is that when you print you won't get these lines, or when you save as PDF. So for example, here we can save this image into PDF so that you can have a clear view of how the final product when in print will look like. It's so interesting, and what you need to know is that you need to know some basic tactics, and then you can create very interesting images. In these episodes I'll show you how to create birthday cards, business cards, your logo. You can even design a 3D object like a house or a store. So this is the image, the way you'll print it will appear. What you'll notice is that this is the page that I had promised there would be no lines. Remember, this image had some dotted line across it, and so were these words. So basically, as an introduction part to the upcoming series, I would like to invite you to start this journey and invite friends, like and subscribe to my channel. Welcome, Genius Publisher Graphic Designers. Bye now, but stay on the page.